Welcome to Apply 17. Go ahead and save the file as W17 Apply with your initials at the end of it to your OneDrive. Display the rulers. And step 4 in the header, so go ahead and double click in the header. Type your name and today's date. And then close the header and footers. And we're going to use the following steps to complete and format the table as shown, and if you're in your textbook it'll be figure 17-2. Step 5 says click in the bottom right cell in the table, so let's click in the bottom right cell and insert a formula to add the values in the cells above and format the result as dollars. So we're going to click on layout. Over here we're going to click formula. You can see that it is summing above, which we want it to. The number format, we need to change that to dollars, so click the down arrow and select the one that has the dollar sign. Then click OK, and you will see that it added up the numbers above that. Step 6, insert a row at the top of the table. So click on the top row. We're going to click Insert Above. And in the left cell of the new row, we're going to type organic whole grain banana bread. Sounds delicious. Organic whole grain banana bread. The right cell, we're going to type 16.35. And then it wants us to update the result, so just click down here on formula and click OK, and you'll see that it updated the amount to 77.42. That was step 7. Step 8 says to sort the table rows into ascending order based first on the data in column 1 and then by the data in column 2. So we're going to highlight the whole table, starting with organic whole grain banana bread. We're going to click up here in the data section. We're going to click sort. And right now it says sort by organic whole grain bread. We want to click this down arrow and select column 1 and then by column 2. It said to do it ascending, so both of these should be checked ascending already. And then click OK. And it should be in this order. It changed the order of everything. Step 9, insert another new row at the top of the table. So click up here in the granola, insert above, and we now have a new row up there. In the left cell, type basket includes. In the right cell, we're going to type regular price. Then we're going to select the top row, highlight that, and we're going to apply the green accent 6 shading. So click design. Here is shading. We want green accent 6, which is this one over here. Top row should still be selected. If it's not, you can just click back on it again and make sure it's highlighted. Remove all borders from the top row. So we're going to click the down arrow right here where it says borders, and we're going to click no border. And that would remove the border from that top row. We're now on step 14. It says select the bottom row of the table. So go down here where you've got total. We're going to select this bottom row. Apply a solid line, 2.25 point green accent to outside border. So we have that selected. We're going to go up here to click the down arrow right here. We got a solid line. We're going to change it to 2.25 point. Green accent 2. So click on the pen color green accent 6. We're going to click the down arrow on borders, and we're going to select outside border. And when you do that, you'll see that there's now that border around that bottom row. With that row still selected, green accent 6, lighter 80% shading. So click the down arrow on shading. Green accent 6, lighter 80%, which is that button right there. If we click away from it, our table should look like this now. Step 16 says to add a title and description of the table as alternate text. So we're going to right click on the table. We're going to go down here to Table Properties, and yours may be selected over here. What we want to do is click alternate text, and for the title we're just going to type something like Earth Day gift basket. And in the description, we're going to type something like gift basket table with regular pricing. Just as long as you've typed something in there. So you've done the alternate text with the title and description, and then click OK. We have now completed Apply 17, so make sure you click File and then save what you've done, and you're done.